That afternoon, I felt tired. Not in my body, but in my mind. The day was not bad, but it was not good either. It felt too full. My mind was crowded with thoughts about things to do, things to fix, and things I did not finish. My mind was moving fast while my body stayed still. I stood in my kitchen and did not know what to do next. So I did something simple. I decided to make a cup of tea. I filled the kettle with water, placed it on the stove, and waited. The water began to heat slowly, and I stood there watching, doing nothing else. When the water was ready, I poured it into a cup and added tea leaves. The color of the water changed softly. I held the cup with both hands, and the warmth felt good. I sat near the window. The room was quiet, and outside the world was moving slowly. Cars passed, leaves moved, and people walked. I took my first sip of tea. It was warm, not too hot and not too cold. For a moment, my thoughts stopped. I took another sip and then another. I noticed my breathing as it moved slowly in and out. The tea did not rush, so I did not rush either. As I sat there, I realized something simple but important. I was always trying to do more, to be more, and to move faster. But the cup of tea was doing none of that. It was simply being what it was, and it was enough. I looked at my hands and saw they were steady. I noticed my breath and felt it was calm. Nothing in my life had changed, but something inside me had changed. I understood a simple truth. Peace does not come from finishing everything. Peace comes from slowing down. You do not need a perfect moment. You only need a quiet one. The cup of tea became empty, but the calm stayed. That evening, I still had problems and work to do, but I faced them more gently. Now, when my mind feels heavy, I remember that cup of tea. I remember to pause, breathe, and sit quietly. Life will not stop being busy, but we can stop for a moment. Sometimes a cup of tea is not just tea. It is a reminder to slow down and listen to ourselves. Slow moments bring clear thoughts. Make a cup of tea. Sit quietly and listen to yourself.